Have you ever been behind a bus and seen those advertisements for attorneys? Well, hopefully you won't have to call one, but if you do, there's a chance you may be able to deduct the legal fees. I'm Kristen Brand, and I'm going to talk to you about how to use legal fees as a tax deduction. Typically, you've got to use legal fees in order to actually make some money. So if you have to hire a lawyer to keep your job, like everyone else is right now, if you need a lawyer that's included in that selling expense, you can deduct that as well. Let me show you where it goes on the form. If you'll look at Schedule A of the Form 1040, this is where you'll put your itemized deductions. There's actually a spot at the bottom of the form for other miscellaneous deductions. This is where your legal fees would go. The other thing to keep in mind is to always keep proper documentation of the expenses that you do incur so that you could support them in the case of a review. I'm Kristen Brand, and that is how you'll deduct legal fees on your tax return.